Good morning, everybody. I just want to share details about the workshop annual membership program that I started at the beginning of the year with the help from a friend and a client who gave me the idea. And it makes sense, and let me share the details because everybody benefits, I believe. So as you know, if you're here in my office, the way I have it set up, this is a virtual office. You can come in and out, it's a public space, and you can observe and read and consume mountains of complimentary information, just like you could when I had my office space, a version of an office space for 22 years. You could come in, nose around, read all the material, look at all the books and pamphlets and all the stuff. You could ask questions, but to get into specifics, we gotta go. But you didn't even have to start up with us or me. You could just consume and then leave. And that's what I have it set up here. It's constantly being updated every single day for you to not be told what to do and no specifics, because there's no way. This isn't emergency care. Health and healing don't work in emergency care. Symptoms aren't for emergency care, and diseases aren't emergency care, and injuries aren't emergency care. And really what's an emergency just really isn't what it is. It's relative to everyone. And when you've been doing the work on my page, you'll see that there's very, very little things that are an actual emergency to get up in a wad about. So consuming this free information, sometimes you want to go a step further. Sometimes it's a what do I do now kind of a thing, or what do you on a specific topic. Is there anything you have on a specific topic, but I'm not quite ready to work with you yet in a one-on-one fashion. I don't feel like that's the next step for me. So there's workshops that I've offered. There's also workshops that I have for people who want to go in full into the most comprehensive appointment that I had, called a full day one. There's 4 workshops that are included in that as prep work. So there's work being done prior to our meeting, and then when we show up, we hit this thing rolling, and we hit it hard, and it's a fire hose to your face no matter how you gain access to me. So there's that. The workshops provide a kind of a prereq sort of educational approach. Then there's people who have worked with me in some capacity, whether it's a consultation of an hour or 2 hours or 3 hours, or they went full years ago, or they went full last week, and they just want to keep continuing to break down the information because they see that they're changing constantly. They see that they're shifting constantly, and they want to continue to access. Plus, the information hits differently once we've met. The information hits differently once you've had a healing response resolve. The information hits differently once you have a fresh injury. The information hits differently once you've been diagnosed because you chose to go get a diagnosis. It hits different at different times. No different than if we read the same book once a year. It'd be a completely different experience each time. That's what these are. These are just books on topics. So it's for those that aren't ready for a one-on-one. It's for those that are going into a full one-on-one as prereq information, and then it's continuing education moving forward. So far there are 16 or 17 in the full library. But what I've done is, typically you can rent these workshops for 21 days. If you need a few more days, that's no problem. And you've got them for 3 weeks to gain access to this information. The workshops vary from anywhere from 2.5, 3 hours to 6.5 hours. So there's a lot of information there. You need some time with it. So we've expanded the time, 21 days. There's also, with these membership programs, the option to get different amounts of the videos for a full year. Because as you know, your body, to be fair, shouldn't really be on a time frame. If we're gonna make a change that I've never done, me personally, I give it 6 to 9 months minimum for me to be fair to my body. If it's a fresh injury, I'm like, this is a year. Guaranteed it's gonna be a year to get to that 98, 99% resolved, but that last little 1% is the one that takes the longest, and that's when usually people bail. And then we have a bunch of little 1% all over the body. So to be fair to the body, it's extending time for people to take this information, apply changes, and then actually see the fruits, see the rooting. It'd be, like judging a seed or a plant. If we checked it, every day or every week or every month, that's not fair to the plant. That's not fair to the seed. And so this membership program allows for you to have access to the information for a full year, plus Depending on what tier you go into, there's perks. Like what? Well, there's going to be future workshops coming up. The next one in September, when I get back from the gorge, September, early October, is going to be on sleep and rest. And I'm going to do one on light, not just sunlight and moonlight. Then I'm going to do one on eyes and teeth. Then I'm going to do one on injuries. Then I'm going to do one on core, and then shoulders, and then hips. Maybe fasting, maybe a nutrition too. I don't know, but there's going to be more of these intensive books being published, so to speak, in workshop format coming forward. Well, when you have a membership, you get discounts to these, all the way up to where some of the workshops are complimentary, depending on what level you're at. So it's a way that everybody benefits, because this library is just growing and growing and growing and growing. And every year it's going to be 4, 5, 6 more, 4, 5, 6 more. This in and of itself, it's a virtual encyclopedia of all this information that's constantly being updated. That's the beauty. That's the curse of me publishing my book in 2018, is I can't go back and update it. That was 2018 knowledge, experience, and voice. It's 8 years later. That's why I did two workshops to go page by page to update that book and the contents inside. So here are some topics that we've covered: calf jumps and spinal hygiene in an advanced fashion, hanging, all things hands, wrists, and forearms, all things feet, ankles, and calves. We've got nutrition. We've got understanding relationships, not just romantic, but your relationship with everything, including your body and your symptoms and your food and everything else. We've got living from the gut, doing the tough things. That was Vladi and I teamed up on that one. We've got hormones, menopause, and andropause. We've got mental health. We've got understanding muscle and training. That was a 6.5 hour one. We've got 3 different workshops that accumulate all the moves that I personally do in my own life, or that I kind of guide people when they have me training them or rehabbing them. There's over 300 moves in those workshops themselves. Those are the ones that I do, movements that I do. So again, having access to those things for a year allows you to kind of create your own database, create your own systems within this. This isn't a tell you what to do, how many times to do it kind of a scenario. It's never going to be that way. It's got to be you taking this information and making it yours. And then, again, 2 workshops I left out, the 2 updates to my book. My book was marketed as a youth sports injury prevention guide, but it is a life manual for families. We had to talk arm injuries because that's what would get me on TV. That's what was going to get us published. That was because it's Tommy John with the Tommy John injury, and it just makes sense. It's just sitting there. But I'm sitting there waiting for people to go, a torn ligament, a tumor, a torn ligament, autoimmune, a torn ligament, herniated disc, a torn ligament, heart disease, a torn ligament, stroke, a torn ligament, neurodegenerative, Parkinson's, ALS. They're all coming from the same thing. You want to talk all of them? Let's go all of them, because if you understand injuries, you understand disease. You understand disease, you understand injuries, and they're all touching each other, and we're going it. So that book is a manual from that, more importantly, the updates to it. So again, I'm very, very excited about the information in this workshop. I poured myself into these things. There's tons of information, and it's loaded. That's why it can be very overwhelming when you get the information. You're like, God, this is loaded. 21 days is good, but maybe a year might be more fair to how you learn and how you go about things. And there's just less pressure. Plus you get perks. Plus it's connecting with me in some way. I've had some people do workshops and then do a follow-up after the workshop on the specific topic. Again, however you go about it, this has to be your approach to medicine. This is just the information. These are just the concepts, principles, and rules. This is just skill sets and tools for you to be able to write your own poetry within the rules. But it still has to be your version of this. And so again, is it as good as one-on-ones? It depends how you make this, how you go about it, right? That's not the point. The point is there's so many different ways to go about applying this information in this office, because nothing happens by you just consuming. And that's what we've got now. Page, consume. What'd you change? You read 10 books, change nothing. Read no books, change everything. Read 1 book, change 10 things. Right? So This is the information that I have to play by in my own rule, in my own life. This is the stuff that I got to do. I have to be a living, breathing example of this, because I don't have anything to fall back on as the scapegoat. I don't fall back on supplement sales because I'm a shitty practitioner. I don't fall back on lab markups because I'm a shitty practitioner. I don't fall back on imaging charging because I'm a shitty practitioner. I don't fall back on diets and exercise programs because I'm a shit practitioner. I don't fall back on cleanses because I'm a dog shit practitioner. I don't fall back on programs. I don't fall back on herbs and supplements and medications. I don't fall back on any of that because I'm a dog shit practitioner. True medicine, all you need is a pad of paper, a pen, and a conversation. The person's presenting. You have everything you need. And these workshops are proof, because when you get into them, you're like, shit, I can do this. Of course you can. Email me for questions and concerns. info@TommyJohniii.com.